Good day everyone, I'm Cadet Tebes Norlan A, and I'm here to demonstrate to you how to announce distress, urgency, and safety message. Mayday, Mayday, Mayday! This is MB Tebes MMSI 234-564-876. Call sign Alpha Delta Mike Kilo. Position 58 degrees 20 decimal 3 minutes north 009 degrees 48 minutes east. I am sinking. I am sinking. I required immediate assistance. I have 5 people on board, including 1 casualties. We have launched 2 lifeboats. 1 lifeboat has 3 people on board, including 1 casualties. Other lifeboat has 1 person on board. Over. Pan 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 pan. All stations, all stations, all stations. This is 234-564-876. Motor vessel Teves. Call sign Alpha Delta Mike Kilo. Position 58 degrees 20 decimal 3 minutes north 00 degrees 48 minutes east. I have problem with engine. I required tug assistance. Over. Security, security, security. All stations, all stations, all stations. In area Julian Philippe Reef, this is 234-564-876, motor vessel Teves. Call sign, Alpha Delta Mike Kilo. Dangerous wreck located in position 2 nautical miles of South Julian Philippe Reef. Over.